Welcome back to NRM 638. And if you look at the syllabus, this week we're going to do script tools. And then next week we'll do raster processing in ArcGIS. And then April 29th we'll do ArcPy mapping module. And then the last session is basically going to be student script screencast presentations. So for the last session, what I want you to do is use some software and do a video demonstrating some Python script that is useful to you. And that may be a script tool, it may be ArcGIS field calculator using Python, it may be a standalone Python script, whatever is useful to you. It doesn't have to be that extensive. It's useful to you for your application. So to do that, what you're going to have to do is download some sort of screencasting software. And I'll show you one piece of software you can use amongst many. Okay, if you do a web search for Jing, you'll come up to a website and you can download this software for free. So Jing captures anything on your computer's screen and it can save it as a short video. So we'll download this. In this case, I'll download the Windows version and then I'll just save that. Okay, so it's downloaded, so then we could open the folder it was downloaded to, and then we'll run that executable, which will install that software. Okay, so the software requires Microsoft Net Framework, so it's downloading that and installing that. Okay, so once Microsoft Net's installed, we have the Jing installer, so we accept and then install. So that will install Jing. Okay, so Jing's ready to go, so we finish. And in your web browser, it says get started with free training, so you can watch tutorials on how to use Jing. So let's watch a tutorial on Jing. So we could do hands-on Jing tutorial for Windows, how to capture a video. And in your web browser, they show you how to capture a video. So you can't hear it right now, but basically the video is telling you, first thing you need to do is describe the area of extent, and then the microphone comes on, and then you basically do your screencasting of your Python application. Okay, and with Jing, you have a limit of 5 minutes for capturing a video. So basically, your screencast will have to be 5 minutes or less. Or you could basically use it twice and have, okay, here's part 1 of my screencast and here's part 2 of my screencast. So as an example, let's say I've got a script tool. So basically you could describe your script tool, what it does. So here's a script tool, and if we look at the properties, here are the parameters, blah, blah, blah. And then you could talk about that source Python script and then basically save your video to an MP4 file. Okay, so start thinking about what you would screencast in terms of demonstrating how Python in a GIS environment is useful for your application.